The Balingasag Municipal Police Station joins the nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill, first quarter of 2023. In line with this activity, the Balingasag Municipal Police Station conducted the following: hanging of tarpaulin. When an earthquake occurs, here are the following protocols to observe. Perform duck position. Perform cover head and neck position. Hold on position. After the shaking stops, exit the building and go to the designated evacuation area. When you are moved to an open area, stay away from buildings, trees, electric posts, and landslide-prone areas. The conduct of quarterly nationwide earthquake drills is one of the government's efforts to promote disaster preparedness and resilience among communities. For more updates, don't forget to follow and like our Facebook page.